Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to VIVO Y22S. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now in this pop-up you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. And finally, to use Send Anywhere app, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Now in this window you can click on Not Now if you want to and close it by selecting OK. From here, click on Receive at the bottom of your Vivo and make sure that Send is set up at the bottom left corner on this Realme. Finally, tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and click on Send next to select it. This way you will choose all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now on Vivo, scroll down and click on one of those options to set up the best one for you. Then click on Close this window and choose one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Vivo, choosing while using or only this time and pointing your camera at the code. But you can always go back, input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!